Electric energy is the driving force behind the development of the modern world. However, it cannot be obtained without conductors, cables, and wires. They transmit energy and information. They are an integral part of all large-scale projects of the humanity. Kabelныи Альянс Holding is the leading manufacturer of cables and wires in Russia and the CIS countries. It ensures the quality and reliability of cables and wires for the efficient and trouble-free performance of all industries. Kabelныи Альянс Holding is a unique industrial, scientific, and technical facility, producing cables of the highest quality. Heading the cable division of the Ural Mining and Metallurgical Company, the holding is the final element in the system of copper mining and processing. This is the only enterprise in Russia that controls all stages of cable and wire production, including mining, ore processing, production of cathode copper and copper wire rod. Thus, the holding can ensure the most important thing: product quality and safety. The holding consists of 3 cable plants in the Central, Ural, and Siberian federal districts. It also has an on-site cable industry science and research institute, Nikki Tomsk. The company ranks first among cable manufacturers of Russia and CIS countries in copper wire rod processing. High qualification of personnel as well as modern equipment with automation and control systems provides for the production of high-quality cables. Using precision machining allows holding enterprises to develop new types of products and to improve existing models. Testing facilities of the factories get upgraded. Materials and cables, new testing types are being introduced. The testing equipment of the holding is considered one of the best in the cable industry. Tests are carried out to define operational properties of materials in various environments, conditions, and time intervals. Quality control is not limited to laboratory testing. The products undergo phased control at all production stages, which allows customers of the holding to be confident in high quality and reliability of its products. Due to powerful production facilities, the holding can produce a wide range of cable and wire products for all industries, amounting to 40 groups and over 160,000 alphanumeric labels of cable and wire products. HoldCab cables are the development of the on-site science and technology asset of the Kabelныи Альянс Holding, Nikki Institute. HoldCab EPR cables are available in a variety of designs according to voltage class, type of protective covers, fire class, and shielding options. Ethylene propylene rubber, used for insulation of HoldCab EPR cables, has established itself as the most durable material resistant to high and low temperatures, oils, and moisture. The material has good flexibility, is not flammable, and has a long service life. Control cables by Nikki are a proprietary development of the holding, which has been widely used in the automation systems for electrochemical protection and offshore platforms, at installation sites under extreme operating conditions, and in individual networks with RS-485 interface protocol. Nikki control cables are available in various designs depending on customer requirements, as well as on the expected operating conditions. They are resistant to oils and gasoline, can come in non-flammable designs, with reduced weight and size characteristics. Fire-resistant cables in silicone rubber insulation are designed for fire protection systems, cable lines, and other electrical receivers that must remain operable in case of fire. High fire-resistant properties of these cables make it possible to use them at all civilian infrastructure facilities, including cable lines of nuclear power plants. Silicone rubber used in the installation of this type of product ensures long service life and continuous operation of cables when exposed to open flame. Uninsulated wires for overhead power lines with profile wires are intended for use in areas with intensive wind and ice loads. including lines with increased span lengths between supports. Due to the smooth surface of the wire, increased twist stiffness, and durable sealing of the wires in the fittings, the impact of wind loads was reduced and a minimum percentage of ice formation was achieved. In addition, the design features allowed to reduce electric power losses during transmission and eliminate internal corrosion of the wire. The mine cables of the Holdmine brand are intended for earth moving and mining machines and mechanisms. JSC Nikitomsk specialists were among the first in Russia to develop a new cable design and validated its compliance with the requirements. Flexible power and control cables of Kolchulga brand are used for bunch wiring and fire protection systems, as well as in other systems with increased fire safety requirements. These are fire-resistant, non-flammable cables with the widest possible operation temperature range. Due to reliability and improved performance characteristics that meet modern requirements for fire safety, Kolchulga cables have an extended area of use both in industrial and civilian facilities. The new era sets even more ambitious tasks for people in energy sector, in communications, in industry. Cable Alliance Holding helps to implement ideas by creating cables with consistent quality and reliability